I am led to believe by Oklahoma Highway Patrol that they will not target a tribal member just because they have a tag, but there will be a predicate moving violation.
New at 5, Oklahoma's Attorney General, you just heard there, has warning for drivers with tribal tags. He says state troopers will not be targeting you, but if you get a ticket for a different reason, that tag could lead to a second ticket.
Now, we told you about a controversial ticket earlier this month. A woman with a tribal tag was ticketed for not paying state taxes. Fox 23 weekend anchor Rick Marinon is live after talking with the AG.
Drummond says he went to the Highway Patrol to get clarification, partially because he was also worried troopers were going to racially profile people based off of what was on the back of their cars. But instead, he said he was told by them they're only going to essentially double ticket drivers if they break a different law first. Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond says he is aware state troopers are double ticketing some people with certain tribal tags.
This has just been one of those well-known but not acted on issues for the state of Oklahoma for the last 25 years. I think in this instance, the governor doesn't pass an opportunity to be acrimonious with the tribes.
Drummond says troopers were recently told to enforce an old court ruling that says people who don't live on tribal lands but have tribal tags can be ticketed for unpaid taxes. But it doesn't involve all tribal tags, just the tribes that don't have a tag compact with the state. Tribes like the Osage, Otoe, Missouri, and others.
I will issue guidance to tribal members so that we can remove the anxiety and fear. And for the vast majority of these tribal tag owners, they live in their jurisdiction. They're fine. But the ones that don't are subject to being stopped.
Governor Kevin Stitt tweeted his support for this new effort. This is addressing a significant public safety issue that puts law enforcement and others at risk. If tribal governments won't share vehicle registration information with DPS, we can't keep our officers and our streets safe. Tribal citizens say they feel targeted as part of the governor's ongoing dispute with the tribes. And smaller tribes say their tags are searchable in state records troopers have access to from laptops inside their cars.
Are they going to be pulling us over just because they see our tribal tag?
Drummond says OHP assured him troopers will not pull over someone simply for having a tribal tag. They must break another law like speeding first.
I am led to believe by Oklahoma Highway Patrol that they will not target a tribal member just because they have a tag, but there will be a predicate moving violation.
Drummond warned, however, the problem could grow. Soon, with Cherokee, Choctaw, and Chickasaw Nation tag compacts set to expire with the state next year.
All compacts under this governorship are in jeopardy.
Tribal leaders told state lawmakers last week talks with the governor are stalled and they have little faith any compacts will be renewed.
I saw it as a demand as opposed to a negotiation.
The governor's office says their door remains open to discussions with the tribes, and they say that the special treatment is over when it comes to people ignoring laws like this one that's activated these double tickets. He says it's time to have equal laws for everyone, and that's what he's doing. Live covering news that matters, I'm Rick Marinon, Fox 23 News.